back in January, I ordered, I read an article about the Pinebook Pro from Pine64. It was pretty interesting. I found the article on Tedium. Ernie at Tedium wrote it. And of course, I was all excited about the price. So I ordered it back in January. Here we are in September. I just got it. So this is an unboxing video of the Pinebook Pinetab with keyboard, and paid extra for the shipping through DHL. But so here it goes. I'm going to go ahead and open it, and you can see the whole thing. It actually came in a separate envelope, DHL envelope, and it's double bagged here. Oh, here we go. It's in that box, and then open this part of it up, like so. And there's another box. Okay. So for this box, let's open it up this way. And it looks like we've got some more, a little bit more wrapping around it. I'll go ahead and open this up. It's in a little sleeve. Put that down right there. And in here, we have the keyboard, the power cable, and looks like some warranty or basic information. So that's all that's in the box. Put this back in here. And set it aside for right now. So, where do we go from here? I'm going to go ahead and open the wrapping on the keyboard cover. I imagine that we're going to need to plug this in. Pretty cool looking. It's got a nice feel to it. Another little piece of styrofoam to protect it. And looks like the magnet right here will just kind of snap in place. And that's what it did. So it snapped in place. Put this down, and looks like I probably need to plug it in and get it charged up. So I'm going to stop it for right now, and we'll come back and visit in a minute.